Welcome to our YouTube channel, where we explore some of the most intriguing and mysterious cases in history. Today, we will be delving into the bizarre case of Alex Murdaugh, a prominent South Carolina attorney whose life has taken a dramatic and puzzling turn in recent months. Join us, as we explore the twists and turns of this perplexing case. Alex Murdaugh. Alex Murdaugh was a respected and successful attorney in South Carolina, known for representing high-profile clients and for his involvement in the state's political scene. But in June 2021, Murdaugh's life took a dramatic turn, when he supposedly discovered the dead bodies of his wife and son at their family's hunting property. The deaths of Maggie and Paul Murdaugh were ruled as homicides, and police launched an investigation into the case. But as the investigation continued, it soon became clear that there was more to the story. As the investigation progressed, suspicions began to swirl around Murdaugh himself, since there were many things that did not add up to his part of the story. As police delved deeper into the case, they uncovered a web of suspicion and intrigue surrounding Alex Murdaugh. It was revealed that Murdaugh had been the subject of an ongoing investigation into the alleged theft of millions of dollars from his law firm, in which Murdaugh was the managing partner of the law firm, which had been in his family for generations. The allegations of theft rocked the community and tarnished Murdaugh's once sterling reputation. In addition, Murdaugh's involvement in a 2019 boating accident that left a woman dead came under renewed scrutiny. The woman, Mallory Beach, had been on a boat with Murdaugh's son Paul and a group of friends when the boat crashed. Paul was driving the boat, and Murdaugh had reportedly provided alcohol to the underage group. The case had been the subject of an ongoing investigation, and rumors began to circulate about the extent of Murdaugh's involvement in the accident. As the investigation into the deaths of Maggie and Paul Murdaugh continued, it became clear that there were numerous unanswered questions surrounding the case. The family's hunting property had been the site of several strange incidents in the weeks leading up to the murders, including a hit-and-run accident that occurred on a nearby road and the discovery of an abandoned car on the property. Then, in September 2021, Murdaugh himself became the victim of a bizarre and botched murder-for-hire plot. Murdaugh claimed that he had been shot in the head by an unknown assailant while changing a tire on the side of the road. However, police soon uncovered evidence that pointed to the involvement of Murdaugh himself in the plot. The investigation into the attempted murder revealed that Murdaugh had enlisted the help of a former client, Curtis Edward Smith, to stage his own shooting in an attempt to collect a multi-million-dollar life insurance policy. Murdaugh had reportedly been struggling with addiction and depression in the months leading up to the shooting, and was facing mounting legal and financial problems. Meanwhile, state investigators announced another criminal investigation against Murdaugh, this one for an alleged death of Murdaugh housekeeper, which occurred at his family home and for which the county coroner requested that a separate investigation will be needed. Since the discovery of the murder-for-hire plot, Murdaugh has been charged with multiple crimes, including insurance fraud and conspiracy to commit murder. His law license has been suspended, and his once prominent family has been embroiled in a scandal that has rocked the state of South Carolina. On October 2021, Murdaugh was arrested as he was leaving a rehab clinic in Florida where bond was denied. During the course of the coming months, many more charges were filed against him, including scheme to defraud insurance companies, financial crimes, tax evasion, narcotic offenses, among others, which add up to more than 100 charges and 11 lawsuits. During the trial, much evidence was shown, which pointed to Murdaugh as the intellectual author of these brutal murders. His defense lawyers claimed that everything was based on theory and conjecture, but on March 2, after 3 hours of deliberation, the jury found Murdaugh guilty of the death of his wife Margaret and Paul, and he was sentenced to 2 consecutive life sentences. In conclusion, the case of Alex Murdaugh is a tragic reminder of the power of ambition and the dangers of greed. As a successful attorney and member of a prominent family, Murdaugh had it all: wealth, prestige, and a bright future. But the theft of millions of dollars from his law firm, combined with his struggles with addiction and depression, led him down a dark path. The deaths of his wife and son, as well as his involvement in the murder-for-hire plot, are a testament to the lengths to which he was willing to go to preserve his reputation and financial security. The once prominent attorney and pillar of the community has lost everything, including his freedom, his law license, and his family. The case of Alex Murdaugh serves as a warning to us all about the dangers of unchecked ambition and the toll it can take on our lives and the lives of those around us. We hope that this video has shed some light on the complexities of this case. Thank you for joining us, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more true crime stories and unsolved mysteries.